Lesson 622, Checking Solutions and the Distributive Property. The daily learning target. By the end of the period, the students will check solutions after solving equations. The in-class is 6-60 to 6-64. The homework is 6-65 to 6-70. Through 6-70, excuse me. So in class 6-60 to 6-64. Lesson 622, Checking Solutions and the Distributive Property. Alright, question 60. Chan's sister made this riddle for him to solve. I'm thinking of a number. If you add 2 to the number, then triple it, you get 9. Okay. So if this is the number, and you add 2 to it, you triple it, you get 9. So one way to write it is doing that. Another way is to distribute. Let's distribute the 3 now. And I will get 3x plus 6 equals 9. Then we will write this down here. Okay. Then we will show our work. Subtract 6, and I do mean from both sides. Get 3x equals 3. And then we will divide by 3. X equals 1. Okay, so then to make sure that the answer is 1, you take this solution and put it back into your original problem to see if it works. So here's my original problem. In place of the x, I will put my solution, which is the 1, plus 6. Okay, so what's 3 times 1? 3, plus 6, that's 9. And then does that equal the other 9? It checks. So once you've solved your equation, you can put what the possible solution is back into the place of the variable and check. All right. 61. Now solve the equation. 4 parentheses x plus 3 equals 8. Okay. So you know what I want to do? I want to do this. 4 x plus 3 equals 8. Now since that's divided by 4, multiplied by 4, I can divide both sides by 4 if I wanted to and end up with x plus 3 equals 2. So then let's do this. X plus 3 equals 2. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. We will get x equals -1. So when you solve an equation that has one solution, you get a value for the variable. But how do you know, I'm on question 62, but how do you know you have done the steps correctly and that your answer works? Well, you need to check your answer. In a second, let me go to the next page. Excuse me. It says, look at your answer for problem 61. How could you verify that your solution is correct and convince, someone else? Good night. Put your answer into the equation to see if it works. Okay, part B. When Kelly and Madison compared the solutions for the equation 2x minus 7 equals negative 2x plus 1, Kelly got a solution of 2 and Madison got a solution of negative 1. To decide if the solutions were correct, the girls decided to check their answers to see if they made the expressions equal. Okay. Finish their work below. So what did Kelly get for her answer? Kelly got x equals 2, and Madison got x equals -1. Okay, so let's put that in there. Oh, I see. She started to put the 2 in here, and the 2 in here, and Madison put the -1 there, and the -1 there. I don't know why that line's there. Maybe we're supposed to finish the work. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4 minus 7. Does that equal -4 plus 1? This is -3, and this is -3. So that checks. That's Kelly's work. Let's look at Madison's work. This is -2 minus 7. And this is 2 plus 1. So -2 minus 7 is -9. That does not equal 3. So my answer is Kelly is correct. When checking, Kelly ended up with 3 equals -3. Yeah, that's what we got right there. Does that mean that her answer is correct or incorrect? She's correct. And if it is correct, does that mean the solution is -3 or 2? Well, she got 2 up here, remember? So we got x equals 2. Explain. Okay, give me a second. When x equals 2, then both sides of the equation are equal. So then go back to problem 61 and show how you check your solution for that problem. So problem 61 was for x plus 3 equals 8. Okay. And what did we get in place of the x? We got a -1. So we'll do this. 4. Then we have -1 plus 3 equals 8. I don't know. What is a -1 plus 3? It's 2. So what's 4 times 2? It's 8. And that equals 8. Check. Okay. Question 63. Hold it on the screen, please. All right. Kelly solved the equation from problem 61. Here's her work. We probably need to show she divided by 4, like what we did. Okay. If 4 parentheses x plus 3 equals 8, does x plus 3 equal 2? Yes. Y divide both sides by 4. Why did Kelly remove the 3-unit tiles from the left side of the equation? No, it says what. What did Kelly do? Oh, what did she do to remove? Okay, so she added -3 to both sides by making a 0 pair. Wait, does this move affect the equality? No, because you're doing it to both sides. You have to do it to both sides. Something's bothering my arm here. See, if Kelly were solving 3 parentheses x plus 5 equals 9, what might her first step be? Divide both sides by 3. Okay, so let's actually do it here. So we have, I want to be on camera. 3x minus 5 equals 9. So if I divide by 3, I get x minus 5 equals 3. Okay, so then what would my next step be? It would be to add 5 to both sides. Let's do that. Add 5, x equals 8. Her next step would be add 5 to both sides. Okay. Hold that. It's a tad crooked. Hold that. Oh, come on then. Hold that. Stop. Go to the last page. Oh, we're gonna practice our skills now. Okay, here we go. Oops, I can't read my directions. Give me a second. Now practice this new solving skill by building. Okay, so now we're going to practice. Show your work. All right. Record your work is the same thing as show your work. All right. Oh, mercy, Meyer. Okay, so we have to distribute this 4. 4x plus 4, right nicely, plus 1, plus a negative x equals 10 plus x. Okay, let's clean this up. If I have 4x minus x, I really have 3x. 4 plus 1, I have 5. Copy the other side down, 10 plus x. We're going to remove an x from both sides. We have 2x plus 5 equals 10. We're going to subtract 5 from both sides. 2x equals 5. Divide both sides by 2. X equals 2.5. Circle. All right, let's look at B. Oh, B's a lot shorter than I thought. All right, then. So let's see. If I have 2x minus 1x, oh, let's have, we have a minus 1 plus x equals, oh, 0 pairs, negative 8. Love it. So then we're going to add 1 to both sides. I'll get x equals negative 7. Circle. That was too quick, eh? That's a 7. Okay, letter C. Letter C. Bring the 5 down. Let's distribute the 2. So this is 2x minus 8 equals 4x plus 7. So this is 2x minus 3. Yeah, I'm cleaning this up. Equals 4x plus 7. Minus 2x from both sides. I get negative 3 equals 2x plus 7. Minus 7 from both sides. I get negative 10 equals 2x. Divide both sides by 2. You get x equals negative 5. Wow. Was that even on camera? No, scoot that up. Give people a moment to copy that down. Okay, so what we did was, we did the 5 and the negative 8, we got a negative 3, and then I just copied this side down. I subtracted 2x from both sides. I had 3x equals 3, I had negative 3 equals 2x plus 7. I subtracted 7 from both sides. You get negative 10 equals 2x, divide by 2, x equals negative 5. Alright, go on to D. What's going on here? Okay, so this is a negative 3x. I want to add it to both sides because it's important that my bars stay positive. So this is going to be 9 equals 1 plus 4x. Okay, our goal is to get x by itself. So minus the 1, get 8 equals 4x, divide by 4, we get x equals 2. Because we're trying to find the value of x, so get x by itself. Anything attached to the x, get it away by doing the opposite. Alright, look at this. Wow, so just right here, I have 3x minus x would be 2x. 3 plus 2 is 5 equals x plus 5. All right. So let's take a bar away from both sides. X plus 5 equals 5. Subtract 5 from both sides. X equals 0. Lovely. One more. We have to distribute the 3. 4 equals 6. X plus 3 minus 11. And then 4 equals 6x minus 8, because these two together are minus 8. We're going to add 8 to both sides. 12 equals 6x divided by 6. X equals 2. Alright. Lovely. Homework today is 6-65 to 6-70.